In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in to NetShort app. So first of all, launch open NetShort application. You can see over here NetShort application has been opened. So if you want to sign into your account, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll be able to find two options, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google. So what you have to do is tap on the sign in method that you used while creating the account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, sign in with Google. Now once you do that, what you have to do is choose an account to continue. Tap on the account that you used to create the account on NetShort. Now tap on this option, agree and share. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be signed in to your account. So that is how you sign in to NetShort app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.